Hey folks, this is Adam from 911 Studios, and today we're looking at the WEMARS. This is an electric pressure washer with a 24 volt lithium ion battery, which is the absolute best battery that they could ever produce for this thing here. Super powerful. It's got an easy charge, and I'm gonna go ahead and test it out. You can see that my deck, I've been using it a little bit, is getting a little green, a little bit of algae on some of these sides. So what's so great about this? It automatically comes with adjustable pressure nozzle. So you can have 0 degrees spray, you have 15, 25, 40, then you have this intermittent blast as well as this kind of wider blast. So a lot of different options here that you can just adjust. The fact that this thing is absolutely lightweight, and I can keep it just outside, right? I can keep it in the garage, easy to grab, and not have any issues. You get a big pressure washer, you spend $1,000 on a pressure washer. Just getting the thing started can take an hour. You haul it out, you have to hook up the hose. This thing is compact. It comes with a little hose right here, comes with everything you need. I just put it in a bucket with some all-purpose pressure wash kind of soap, some all-purpose wash, and it works fabulously. So, amazing technology, super lightweight. I'm not gonna get tired holding that for a long period of time. Absolutely fantastic. I can pressure wash, I can spray. I'm not lugging around an electric power cord that can only be so many feet from the house. I'm not lugging around all sorts of hose. I'm not hooking it up to the house. I just got a bucket full of soapy water, and I am spraying, I am cleaning. I can hit those little spots by the deck in a matter of minutes instead of taking an hour just to get the stuff out and get it started. So a tremendous product, super lightweight, super powerful, the PSI, everything about it, and this thing is absolutely amazing. So you're gonna wanna pick one up for yourself. Again, WEMARS. This is a 24 volt max lithium ion battery. Pressure washing has never been easier. Adjustable heads, easy design, super lightweight, and all you need is a bucket, some soap, and everything else is included. So go ahead and pick one up today. You absolutely won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.